Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Maths Probability Miscellaneous Exercise question number 9. Let's see the question. If 4-digit numbers greater than 5000 are randomly formed from the digit 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, what is the probability of forming number divisible by 5 when the digits are repeated? In the second subdivision they are asked the repetition of the digits is not allowed. So, according to the condition, they have asked what is the probability forming number divisible by 5. This is the condition. But let us select the sample space first. In the sample space is the 4-digit number greater than 5000. So, your yes will be, a number should be a 4-digit. So, let me take 4 blank spaces. I am going to fill this. I am going to find how many digits can be formed. Now, according to the condition, the number is 5000, greater than 5000. If it is greater than 5000, in the first blank, I can't fill 0, I can't fill 1 because 1 something will be less than 5000. Even 3 I can't fill, 3 will be less than 5000. I can fill only 5 or 7. So, there is only 2 ways to fill my first blank space. Here, as the numbers can be repeated, we can also fill 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. So, we can also fill all the 5 numbers. So, there is a possibility of filling all the 5 numbers. Here also all the 5 numbers. Here also all the 5 numbers. So, your answer, the total will be 5 5s are 25. 25 into 10, that is 250. Usually people fill like this. They will write it as 250. But if I take 5000, if a number is if the number is 5, I can also fill 0 here. I can also fill 0 here. I can also fill 0 here because repetition is allowed. It will be of 5000. But according to the condition, it should be greater than 5000. So, 5000 is also possible if we do in this way. So, we need to do -1 because we are subtracting that 5000 number. So, there is also possible way if we fill in this way. There is also possible of filling a 5000 in this. So, we are removing that number because it is equal to 5000. It is not greater than 5000. So, your total will be 249. So, this is your total. Now, we have found here n of s to be 249. Now, we will move on to the first condition. Here, the first condition, the digits are repeated. The digits are repeated and we want probability to find number divisible by 5. So, if number divisible by 5, let me take the same 4-digit number. If the number divisible by 5, the last number should be of 5 and 0. If only the unit digit or the ones digit is 5 and 0, it is divisible by 5 because they have given the condition is divisible by 5. So, I can write here to be 5 and 0. There are 2 ways to fill my unit digit. If something condition is given, you need to fill the condition first. Here, the condition is greater than 5000. So, I have filled my last, that is the 1000th digit first. In this case, it is divisible by 5. The divisible by 5 means it should have 5 and 0 in the ones place. So, I am filling it first. Now, there is only 2 ways to fill it. Here, the numbers are repeated. So, we can the number can be repeated here. So, here, as I told before, it can't be 0, it can't be 1, it can't be 3, it can be 5 or 7. So, this can be also filled in 2 ways. Now, here the numbers can be repeated. So, all the 5 numbers can be written here. Same way, all the 5 numbers can be written here. According to this, if we multiply this 2, 5 2s are 10, here also 10, 10 into 10 is 100. But, if I write my 5 here, and if I fill all the 5 ways means if I fill it with 0. Here all the 5 ways means I can fill it with 0. Here also 0 means same 5000 will be coming. So, as I told before, it can't be 5000, it should be greater than 5000. So, as 5000 is included in this, I am removing that 5000 number alone. That is, I am removing that one number alone. So 100 minus 1 is 99. Therefore, probability is number divisible by 5000 is equal to total by the number of observation. Favorable outcome is 99 by 249. It is divisible in 3 tables. So we can cancel this as 33 by 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. So 33 by 84 is your 83 is your final answer. We'll move on to the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, repetition of the digits is not allowed. So digits are not repeated. Now let me draw 4 lines. Let me fill it. Here, as I told before, it is divisible by 5. So here 0 and here 5 is possible. Here, as one number is gone, this can be filled in 2 ways. It can be 5 or it can be 5 or it can be 7. So it can be filled in 2 ways. But in this 2 ways, if I write 5 here, there is no chance of writing 5 here. So 5 is not possible here. So 5 can't be filled here. Only if 7 here, we can fill it with 5. But in this case, we can't fill it with 5. In the second condition, they have asked the digits are not repeated. Here, the digits are not repeated mean the sample space also changes because we have taken the sample space, the digits are repeated. So for not repeated, we need to find again the sample space when the numbers are not repeated. For that, again 4 lines. According to the condition, the numbers are not repeated. Here, there are only 2 ways, my sample spaces. There is only 2 ways to fill, that is 5 and 7. So we have only 2 ways here. If I fill with something, one number here, the leftover is only 4 numbers, I can fill it here. The numbers can be 4. Already 2 numbers gone, so 3 numbers can be filled in this place. Already 3 numbers have gone, so only 2 numbers can be filled in this way. So here the 5000 will not come because if I write my 0 here, I can write any number here. So it will be more than 5000. So 5000 will not come here. So no subtraction, just multiply the number. Here 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 6. That is 48. So now the sample space has become 48. They have asked for the number not repeated. The probability, sorry, let me find the number not repeated first. Not repeated and divisible by 5. Now, as we know that for divisible by 5, we need to find first fill the unit digit. We have a unit digit of 0 and 5. In case the first number can be of 5 and 7 only, if I fill my first number as 5, then I can't write my number 5 here because here the number are not repeated. 5 will not repeat again. So the number will be 0 only if it is 5. So if I take my first number as 5, I have only one chance of writing 0 here. So this is one way. Only 5 can be filled here. Only 0 can be filled. So it is only one way. Leaving the 2 number already we have filled it. So balance we have 3 numbers to be filled and here 2 numbers to be filled because we have filled 3 numbers here. So only 2 numbers to be filled. Now if we multiply this 2, we will get 6. Okay, if it is 5, there is only 0 to be filled, no other way. Now if it is 7, if I fill it with 7, the first number can be 5 or 7. 5 already over. Now if I take 7, there is a chance of writing 0 and 5 here. So here only one way, only 7, but here we have 2 numbers to be filled, so it is 2 way. So though it is 2 way, we will be filling with only with one number only. So we have 2 numbers gone. Now balance 3 numbers here, balance 2 numbers. Leaving this 2 number, we have 3 chances of filling this, 3 ways of filling this blank. And if we filled with some number, only 2 ways of filling this number. So here we have 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. So total we have 18. This should be added, not multiplied. Now probability is 18 by 48. 6 3s are 18. 6 8s are 48. So 3 by 8 is your final answer for the second subdivision. That's all with the sum. Thank you.